Have you ever woken up in the morning to a super stiff neck or a stiff back from possibly sleeping the wrong way? Most people tend to reach for pain medications such as ibuprofen, Tylenol, or Advil, but some people tend to go to a chiropractor. I personally have never been to a chiropractor, but I'm curious to learn on how chiropractic care can help someone in their everyday lives. Today, I'm going to inform you about chiropractic care and teach you how it is a science-based practice. According to the American Chiropractic Association, they help to treat and diagnose disorders to the musculoskeletal and the nervous system. This helps the overall function of the body. Back in 1895, David Daniel Palmer was the first person to ever do a spinal adjustment on a person. It was a school janitor back in Iowa, and from there, it's one of the biggest medical fields today. Now that we know a little bit from where chiropractic care came from, let's learn about how it helps. Chiropractic care helps to realign the spine and ensure that there's proper nerve communications between your neck and your brain. Well, a chiropractor, they have different methods to their care. They can either use their hands, which they use small movements called subluxations, which helps to restore movement in your neck and your back, or they also use tools as well. Some examples of these tools include activators and impulses, which use electric and mechanical impulses to help deliver a precise adjustment. Here I have an image of the spine. Down the center, this is going to be your spinal cord. There's four main parts to your back. You have your neck, which is going to be your cervical. You have your thoracic, which is your upper back. You have your lumbar, which is your lower back, and you have the sacral, which is your hip area. Each of these areas play an important role. The cervical and the lumbar, which is your neck and your lower back, tend to be the most pain-causing areas. A lot of people go to see a chiropractor for their cervical and lumbar region. In the front of the spine, we have these little notches. These are going to be your vertebrae. When these vertebrae become pinched or moved or out of place in any way, it can cause a lot of pain and discomfort. But once a chiropractor goes in to adjust the vertebrae, it will alleviate a lot of the pain and tension that you may be feeling in your spinal, your neck, or your back area. Now that we know how it helps, let's learn about the benefits that chiropractic care has. Chiropractic care helps to alleviate pain overall in your back and your neck and helps you have a better posture. Having a better posture not only alleviates the tension in your back, but it also allows for you to have just overall better health in your spine. A lot of patients have said that after a chiropractic care, they've noticed less stress, they've noticed they've been getting more sleep, and they've experienced a lot less headaches than they've had in the past. Now that we have learned the origins and foundations of chiropractic care, let's conclude what we've learned. Today, I informed you guys about chiropractic care and how spinal adjustments work and to realign the body. I've taught you guys the benefits that patients have received from chiropractic care. And again, I personally have never been to a chiropractor, but through this research, I was able to see the importance of spine health and how important an alignment can be.